All right, gonna do a video for you guys on a FF Industrial. It's a FF13 model mini excavator, 13.5 horsepower, gasoline engine. Got the 14-inch bucket on there with the grabber. I believe the blade is 32 inches. I'll have the measurements in the description. It's got a Briggs & Stratton motor. Cab you can actually remove if you don't want the cab on there. Just a few bolts. And what else? I think that's about it. I'll fire it up really quick and show you kind of how it works. Digging. Anyways, August 23rd, preview day, 9 to 4. We'll see you then.